While the flops may be gone, their spirit still lives on. I just want to give a massive thank you to the Discord, all you guys in there that pitched in and bought me this brand new beautiful pair of sandals for Christmas. Thank you. I love you guys. If you're not in the Discord, jump in. It's fucking ballin'. Anyways, let's get to some therapy. All right, let's go. Here it is. I spent $800 on my backup iron sights. Stop being poor. Okay, so let's look at this for a second. The most expensive iron sights that I can find are CAC sights. And those are around $200 a pop, given where you find them. So that's $400 for a rear sight and a front sight. Where'd your other $400 go? I don't think I need to stop being poor. I think you're just retarded. I mean, let's be honest here. You don't use your backup iron sights. I don't use my backup iron sights. Nobody uses their backup iron sights. No one. A good optic will last you through all of the abuse that you'll probably put it through. None of this like torture test hoo-ha nonsense that nobody's really facing. Like people who drop their rifle 30 feet generally aren't retrieving it, and if they are, well, Uncle Sam's probably replacing it for them. That's not my point. My point is, we both know that if your optic goes down in a dire situation where it's destroyed and it's not working anymore and you had to flip up your backup iron sights, you're already dead. Because we both know you're not doing your cardio, and I for sure know you're not stretching your hamstrings. I missed. One more. Oh, what a bad transition. Now, the part of this that I really want to focus on is the stop being poor. This is what keeps people out of the space in general. It makes people not want to join, especially when they have a lower income or simply can't afford it. And I mean, sure, you're willing to say that from the safety of your keyboard, but the price of the gear doesn't matter. It's your level of training. It doesn't matter if you have a Daniel Defense or a PSA. What matters is how well you can shoot and how humble you are. And from those 33 characters, it shows that you're neither. Nobody is invading the US. It is literally, logistically impossible. Why are Americans so scared of things that aren't real threats? First off, literally?
You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
Secondly, anything is possible with the power of friendship, okay? I need you to get that through your head. Third, and most importantly, preparing never hurt anyone. In fact, I'm pretty sure it made it hurt less when your boyfriend f***ed you in the ass. See? Preparation is key. Don't dry fire. Don't prepare yourself. Real life doesn't let you warm up. And then the rest of that. I mean, you are correct. That is why you train. That's why you warm up, because real life doesn't let you have a do-over. So you train and you practice and you warm up and you prepare. You don't have to go balls to the wall every second of training. The key is to prepare for anything in any situation. Sure, I agree, it's not a waste of ammo. A lot of people, their range day, it consists of a mag of 5.56 and maybe a box of 9mm. That could be a waste to them when they could spend a majority of their time warming up and preparing rather than just running super cold and not getting the best shot placement. Again, this falls back to this is why we train and prepare. You ever seen a lion stretch before it takes down a gazelle? Yes, literally every time a lion gets up. They're large kitty cats. Hi, yeah, excuse me, are you coordinating the map convention? Leave the children alone. See, the problem that we face here is the my training good, your training bad mentality. There's more than one way to skin the aforementioned kitty cat. There are so many different ways to train. There are so many different ways to warm up and get into it. And like I said, I'm not even shaming you. I kind of like it. I kind of like it that you're just like, I'm in it. But like, don't tell people to not. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is a good way to get out there and warm up before you start running your drills. Martial arts, before we started punching people in the face, we did some stretches, we did some light exercise. You're gonna play a game of basketball, you don't just hop on the court, you do a little jog, you do a little stretch. You don't just run straight into a 5K, you prepare, right? And that's the whole point, is you're getting ready, you're getting limber, if you will, because like I said before, somebody's range day could just be that box of 9mm. And that dry fire beforehand could be the difference between a sub-second draw when they need it and not. Food for thought on that one. No, it's gonna work, trust me, it'll work. Nailed it! Sandals, bro? No one wants to see your feet at the range. Just a heads up, man. That right there, that's communist propaganda. That's propaganda bullshit brought to you by Big Boot. I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that communist propaganda bullshit from Big Boot. I ain't having that communist propaganda. We're not doing that here. This is America. Hey, my eyes are up here, not there, right here. What do you call a frozen silencer? A snow presser. Get it? The internet is a beautiful place. Sometimes disgusting, overwhelmingly disgusting, but there are signs of beauty. And unfortunately, there's a lot of people who are just trying to ick someone's wow. Because let's be honest, deep down, they're just a little boy who had their wow icked by their uncle. The point I'm getting at is just because someone doesn't do it the way you do it, doesn't mean it's wrong. It's only wrong when you're forcing it on other people. Be humble, be kind, be generous, and if people want to know, teach them. But if they don't, fuck off. Yeah, that's it. Jump shot. Jump shot. Jump shot. God damn it. Come on. Jump shot. I'll just flip it in.